It's Owen here, just with another video on how to edit a WordPress website using Elementor. This site in particular is Retip Ireland, a diamond core barrel retipping service. To get straight into it then, one of the things we want to look at is how to process an order. So to do that, we're going to make an order. I've already inserted a few things into my basket. How do you add something to your basket? You go to the online store and select product, and from there you can add that to the basket by choosing the various options like millimeter size and segment width. Once that's added to the cart, you can then proceed to checkout. So let's go ahead and do that. At this point, you have to fill in your details and scroll down and hit the next button. This is what the customers would do. These 3 steps just indicate to the user what the 3 steps are for completing the order. For this purpose, I've turned on click and collect. By default, PayPal is the only option on. You have to agree to the terms and conditions and press place order button. Once the place order button has been confirmed, that indicates to the customer that they have checked out. This is the order and there are the details. So from the point of view of the store, the shop administrator, they need to know how to process this order. So I'm already logged in as indicated here by the log out button and my details. I'll go ahead and log out just to show how to log in again. If you go to the website, in the bottom left hand corner there's a login button. If you press the login button, it'll bring up the login details where you can log in. Upon logging in, you want to go to WooCommerce orders and hit orders, where we can see there's a new order in from me just there now. When you click that order, you can see the details of the person's address, etc., and what the situation was with payment. Payments to be made upon delivery. So that was the click and collect. If it was PayPal, there would be indications here as to the PayPal IPN or instant payment notifications. You can look down the items and see what the order was already about. That's how you process the order, because you can see what it was that the customer wanted. One of the other things you want to maybe do is add a new product. So go into the plus symbol up here, and you want to go to new product. So if there was a new product, X5 saw blade, add text here to describe this item. The regular price for the item be $199. You might want to choose here if it's a diamond, it's a saw blade, so it's a blade and it's a wall saw, let's say. You can choose the image by pressing the choose image button and choosing an image. If there are multiple images here in the add product gallery, you can choose multiple images. The short description is exactly as what it says. If there's a long description here, like lots of information about the X5 saw blade, you could put that here, but the short description's better placed here. In some cases I just copy and paste this from the long, paste it into the short, and delete appropriately. The inventory, then you want to give it a code, so that would be X5 SRWBLD01. I just made that up, obviously. Shipping, give it a nominal weight, 2.5 kilograms. And if you can include the dimensions, that's good to do. If you can't, that's fine. Go ahead and hit the publish button. I'll not hit the publish button because I don't want this product to be added to the website, but that's simply how you add a new product to the website. Next thing on the list, how to add a new post. What is a post, you might say? The first answer to that is a post is a news article, such as these ones in the news page. We've discussed already how to add articles to the news page so that you can then share them in social media. To begin, it's the same process. You use the plus symbol and you go to new and choose post. You want to put in here maybe something about I'm making just something up here. You can add text here, probably about 300 to 500 words is my recommendation for making any new news articles. Final thing, you want to categorize it. In this website there is only one category. You want to choose a featured image and choose an image that represents the news article and hit the publish button. Once again, I will not publish this because it is irrelevant, so I'll hit leave and add to trash. But that is how you add a new news article to the website. Editing an existing page is the last thing on the list. So if you wanted to go to the retipping page where all this text is and photograph, etc., we wanted to go up here to the top where it says edit with Elementor and choose the edit with Elementor button and click it. This will load up the Elementor page builder, and you can then use the Elementor page builder to make changes to the site, such as here where it says about Retip Ireland. You can go in and take out the about, go to the text, possibly change the text font to something else. You might want to go in here, look at the text here, maybe select something, make it bold, or just start typing here. When it comes to the images, you want to select the box that the image is in, go to the style, choose the image, and you can replace the image with something more appropriate. In fact, I'm going to change that right now to this image. Down here as well, it's exactly the same process. You click what you want to edit, and then you can edit it on the left hand side. So instead of pressing the update button, which what I would do if I was happy with the changes, I'm just going to leave the page for now. In essence, that covers how to really edit the site. The home page can be edited using the page builder. The shop is controlled by adding new products. The retipping page is controlled by the Elementor page builder. The news page is controlled by adding new posts, and the contact page is controlled by adding the Elementor edit with Elementor as well. The shopping cart and how to process orders has been covered previously. So that pretty much covers how to use the Retip Ireland website. Thank you.